Well, our livers do much more than detoxify our bodies. As one of the toughest organs, a healthy liver is critical for our overall health. So, how do we know if it's not functioning properly?
How did you end up with an overworked liver? Well, there has never been a time in history that has pushed our livers to the limits like today.
You're eating clean. You're hitting the gym. But your stomach won't flatten, your brain feels foggy, and you're tired of feeling tired. Here's the truth nobody's telling you. Your liver is overworked, and it's quietly ruining your energy, hormones, and fat-burning ability. This isn't a detox tea pitch. This is the science behind why your liver is the MVP of your metabolism, and what's silently breaking it. What your liver really does. Most people think the liver is just a detox organ. Nah, your liver is a metabolic command center. It helps you burn fat, process carbs, regulate blood sugar, filter out toxins, metabolize hormones, store key nutrients. If your liver's backed up, your entire system breaks down. You gain weight easier, lose energy faster, and start retaining toxins that should have been long gone. How your liver gets overloaded. Here's what's silently trashing your liver every day. Seed oils, canola, soybean, sunflower. These oxidize in the body and flood the liver with toxic byproducts. Excess sugar and fructose. The liver is the only organ that can metabolize fructose. Too much equals fatty liver. Medications and OTC drugs, painkillers like Tylenol, your liver has to process every dose. Processed foods, additives, preservatives, and fake flavors overload your filtration system. Alcohol and caffeine abuse. You already know, but even moderate drinking can cause silent inflammation. Environmental toxins, plastics, pesticides, even that scented candle burning on your desk. Your liver is out here working 24/7 with no time off and no overtime pay. Eventually, it starts to store fat and slow down. Signs your liver is struggling. Stubborn belly fat that won't go away, brain fog, chronic fatigue, skin issues, rashes, acne, dark circles, bad breath or body odor, feeling puffy or bloated, poor digestion, hormonal issues. Sound familiar? These aren't random. They're red flags from your liver. The toxic fat loop. When the liver is inflamed, it stores fat, especially around the belly. That belly fat then makes the liver even more toxic. This creates a vicious cycle. Toxins, inflammation, fat storage, more toxins. And boom, you're stuck in the fat trap no matter how hard you train. Slingshot Liver Reset Plan. Let's clean up the mess without gimmicks. 1. Cut the seed oils. Replace canola, soybean, and vegetable oil with olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, or grass-fed butter. 2. Eliminate liquid fructose. Juice, soda, sweet teas. These go straight to the liver like poison. Swap for water, lemon water, or herbal teas. 3. Eat liver-loving foods. Cruciferous veggies, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. Garlic and onions boost detox enzymes. Beets help bile flow. Turmeric, anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Lemon and dandelion tea, gentle liver support. 4. Intermittent fasting. Give your liver a break from constant processing. 12 to 16-hour fasts can help it reset. 5. Lower toxic load. Get rid of fake air fresheners, plastic bottles, and scented laundry sheets. Use glass, stainless steel, or ceramic when possible. 6. Don't oversupplement. The goal isn't to dump 10 detox pills in your body. Keep it real and food-based. Your liver isn't dirty, it's tired. Detox isn't about going on a juice cleanse. It's about giving your liver a break so it can do the job it was designed to do. Your body wants to burn fat, feel sharp, and have energy for days, but not when the engine is clogged. This isn't about being perfect. It's about making small, daily moves that let your liver breathe. The better your liver works, the better you work. Period. Drop a or a liver mode in the comments if you're ready to unjunk your body from the inside out. And subscribe to Health and Wellness Slingshot for weekly fire that your liver will thank you for.